on the go. So, yeah, I arrived another Shinkansen, and I don't know, I've been feeling like so ill because of the traveling. I guess intense traveling just not really my style and don't really work when I'm this age, I guess. And what can I say? It's being very exhausted, and I don't know. There's so many places in Japan that it's just really hard to visit everywhere in this short amount of time. Yeah, and especially I feel like I'm just not really that kind of travel style. I'm better at staying in a place and just really explore instead of like all over the places. And definitely got super sick. But I mean, I just booked myself like a hot spring hotel tonight. Just gonna rest, doing nothing. Yeah, being really ill, but it's okay. So I'm gonna make my way close to, I don't even know where is it, but I will stop by Hiroshima to pick up my shoes. I just wanted to watch Old Blast playing, but I feel like they're gonna win for sure. Yeah. I hope I can survive. I'm so exhausted.